Let's now do a position mode flight test. It behaves identically to altitude mode in that when you arm, the motors will spin, but they will not spin up until about 50% throttle. You'll also notice that I've removed the mat, the vinyl sticker. It causes issues for the arc flow sensor. Any sort of reflective surface is a challenge for the sensor to be able to maintain its current position. So what I'll do is go ahead and proceed with toggling into position mode.
Position hold.
I'll go ahead and arm DEXI.
Armed.
Our motors are now engaged, and I will throttle up, going above 50% so that we can get in the air. And now the key to position mode is obviously finding the right throttle position so that DEXI can maintain a constant altitude. See that I'm just slowly nudging the throttle stick up, finding that sweet spot. And now with no input from the sticks, you can see that DEXI is maintaining its position and altitude very nicely. And even though I'm not currently giving any stick input, I always recommend just being ready to take over manual flight in case of any unforeseen issues. So now I'll go ahead and just lower the throttle stick a little bit to get DEXI's altitude just really only a couple feet above the ground. I'll make sure that the throttle locks into place, and now you can see DEXI hovering at a much lower altitude. I'll slowly lower the throttle stick all the way down until DEXI has landed. After a few seconds, DEXI will disarm. Another good thing to understand is being able to toggle between flight modes while you're in the air. So in this demonstration, I'm going to take off and stabilize, and then toggle into altitude, and then position mode.
Flight mode stabilize. Armed.
I'll take off in stabilize mode, which once again means we have full control over all inputs. I'll get to a good place where I feel comfortable, and then I will toggle into altitude mode. I've successfully toggled from stabilized to altitude. You'll see that I'm able to roll with the right stick. You'll notice that DEXI will drift because it's not in position mode, but hold its altitude nicely. I'm toggling into position mode, and DEXI locks into place, maintains its current position and altitude perfectly. I'll toggle from position to altitude, and what you'll observe is DEXI maintaining its current altitude but drifting around. That's what we'd expect in altitude mode. We have a constant height, and then we're giving input with our right stick, which controls pitch and roll. Toggling from altitude to stabilize, you can see how DEXI wanted to descend, and now we're back to full manual control, where I have control over every single input without any sort of assisted flight. Now I'm going to go directly from stabilize. We'll jump past altitude into position mode, and DEXI now locks into position where its altitude and position are nice and constant. I'll lower the throttle. We'll bring DEXI all the way down in for a landing. I can go ahead and disarm, and I'm ready for my next flight.